Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you can use promo codes for Tiffany.com. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm over at Tiffany.com here. So from here, we pretty much need to get to the checkout section. So I'm just going to put a random bracelet into my cart. So I'm just going to quickly go through this. Scroll down and put in this bracelet here. So I'm going to add this to bag. And while we're looking at this, there's no promo code that you can add in here, so we need to click add to bag. And now I'm going to go to the checkout section and see if there's any spots where you can put in a promo code, the checkout section of Tiffany.com. So we can either, if you're a registered customer, put in your email or password and sign in, or if you just want to check out as a guest or a new customer, click on checkout. Alright, we're on the checkout page here, so you can ship my items to your shipping address, or you want to pick up in store. This doesn't matter. I'm going to do pick up in store. And if I have a look on this page here, there's no spot to put in a promo or discount code. So let's move on to the next one. So I'm going to click continue to the payment section. Alright, we're on the payment options section here. So we can apply a gift card if we want. We can use a credit card, PayPal. Keep scrolling down here. I can't see any spot for a promo code. Now let's look on the right. Alright, that's my Tiffany experience. You got the product here. You got gift message, order summary. And no, there is no place where you can add in a promo or discount code. This doesn't mean that they might not add, they might be able to add this in the future, but at this time on the 12th of the 9th, 2024, you cannot add a promo or discount code.